Is there a FBA training gym? No, there isn't an actual physical FBA training gym, but the concept perfectly describes the online learning environment that helps sellers build their skills and strengthen their e-commerce performance. Instead of physical workouts, sellers go through digital training sessions, learning how to research products, optimize listings, and manage sales efficiently through structured online programs. Platforms that provide this type of training serve as your virtual gym for Amazon success. They offer video lessons, product analysis exercises, and data driven tasks that help sellers grow their business muscles step by step. These programs make it easy for both beginners and professionals to stay consistent and sharpen their selling strategies. Helium 10 is one of the best examples of a virtual FBA training gym. It offers step by step lessons, built in product research tools, keyword trackers, and listing optimization features that allow sellers to practice and apply what they learn in real time. By treating FBA like a skill you can train daily, Helium 10 helps sellers continuously improve and perform at their best. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to scale your Amazon FBA business like a pro.